How to download TikTok videos without save option. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Here, go to the search bar on the top and search for TikTok. Now look for any updates that may be available for the TikTok application. Go back to your home page and open the TikTok app. From the right panel, click on the Share option. From the bottom panel, as you can see, the Save option is available. If the Save option is not available, then swipe and select the Live Photo option. Now it will convert the photo into a live photo. Now go back to your home page and open your gallery. As you can see, the photo has been saved. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and select Save as Video. It will take some time to save the video, and just like that, your video has been saved. This works for every TikTok that has the live photo option enabled. If you don't find the live photo option on the video, you can simply screen record the video. That's all for today. Thank you.